it. This is it. The Mad Catz Street Fighter 5 Tournament Edition stick unboxing. This is a TE2 Plus, which is the reuse stick. Just my old sticks there. I've actually got 5 sticks. I've got a Saturn Fightstick as well, but that's in the dungeon. I'm not digging that out just for a video. The reuse Fightstick, and there's also a little bag there with some Swizzag in it. And of course, the main thing, my most anticipated game. Not of this year, not of my ever. Right there. Right, so let's get this unboxing going. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to unbox the stick for you in this video, and then I'll do a separate video showing you the Street Fighter guide that I picked up, the Street Fighter swag, some bloody comics and key rings and whatnot in a separate video. Link will be below this one. And I'll unbox the Steelbook edition if you want as well. Oh, it's an unboxing. Yeah, it's an unboxing. It's a case and a disc. But you know what? You know what? Yeah. What would Katy Perry say in this situation? Make sure I've got this. What's better, more combat? Street Fighter! What's better, more combat? Street Fighter. Right, let's go. Oh, upside down already, M. Bison. This is it. Oh, here we go. I know you are crazy. Oh, the TE2 Plus Arcade Fightstick Tournament Edition Street Fighter 5. Go down a bit, camera. There we go. There it is. So you got the box art there. It's going to be a really detailed unboxing for you mofos. You got the box art there. You got your Dictator, Nikali, Cammy, Ryu, Chun-Li. Oh, the game is so close. I can't believe it. It's right there. And Nash. Right, let's do this. Let's get this out for you. Better not have been open. Right, let's do it. Here you come, you little son of a gun. There you go, that's that out. Let's plot this on there and strategically get rid of the box. The foam little covers around the edges there. I swear someone's picked these off to have a little look at this stick. I swear they have. Right. These you can keep if you want. You can use the punch right in the face with them. And there. Right, let's slice. I've actually got the knife for it. What, Smash Brothers got a higher score on Metacritic? Let's go. Okay. Slice and dice, baby. This is always the most delicate part. Oh, you're trying to get Laura's bra strap off. You embarrass yourself, really, didn't you? More on the back, more fire, blood, more fire. Right, so let's cut this off without. So, alright then. Controller lock button prevents accidental button pressing. Freeway button enables joystick to function as left or right analog stick or directional pad. Removable 3-meter cable. L3 and R3 buttons for added functionality. Authentic Japanese style Sanwa Denshi joystick and buttons. Official Street Fighter 5 artwork. Intuitive top panel design for easy artwork customization. Internal storage compartment holds extra bits and parts. Premium quality components with a genuine arcade layout. Hadouken! Right, let's do it. Right. Have you got a light boy? Ovaltine lights. Something still. There we go. Careful does it. Easy does it. Pop this around here for you. Got your Mad Catz sign on the front there. I know Mad Catz may not. You do. I love Mad Catz. That's all I can say. I love your sticks. I'm not saying anything. I love you. Ha 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 Ashuken. Right, let's see what we got here. So, there it is, the beautiful stick, man. That's it, the stick. My baby. My baby. So, in here you have the little bits which you can with it. Screwdriver, man. heavens. Man alive, what the... Oh, Jesus. Right, here is the screwdriver. The screwdriver to, if you want to customise your stick, change the buttons and whatnot. I do really like how my stick is right now. I'm going to get out, I'll give you a proper look in a minute. I love Ryu. Ryu is obviously my favourite Street Fighter character, I've got to admit it. It's a bit boring to pick Ryu, but he embodies everything about Street Fighter. That's why this stick was really important to me. Plus this is, I believe, don't think the Chun-Li one has a touchpad, which you do actually use in training. You can use it in the training mode in Street Fighter, I believe. So, yes, I do have Armika custom artwork, which this brother here, I'll put a link to his Twitter, done for me. The only problem is I'm having problems working out how to get the holes neat in the centre, so I don't know if to just keep this Ryu or stick in the Mika custom artwork. I'm not sure actually, I'm not sure. Do you know what? I don't know, I may even end up customising this, I'm not too sure, man. I like the Ryu, but I really like Armika as well, man, so we'll see. Anyway, what we'll do, so you've got the screwdriver here, then we've got the Mad Catz stickers, which you can stick, adorn on your girlfriend there. Stick them on her actual body and get her to walk around town and various drinking establishments with you. You've got the instruction manual here, you know how to open it up, shows you what everything is. So you've got your PS4 stick, no sorry, the PS3, PS4 switch to use your, obviously if you're using on your PlayStation 3. You've got all your little bits there, it opens up and the buttons on the back, but I'm going to show you all that in detail. So this is the little instruction booklet that comes with it. Right, let's get this bad boy out. Oh God, I thought we was got the bananas in. What was going to scratch or something? It's somebody's bum fluff. Right, there we go. Let's get rid of the foam. Out there. Let's show you this baby in detail, sweetheart. Here we go, over there. So there's the stick in detail. Let's give you a nice shot of that. That's the front of the stick right there. Again, Ash Fighter 2, bump the stick again. Got all your various switches and bits at the top, which I explained at the start. Did you listen? But you didn't show the back. Hope we can zoom out a bit here, can't we? So, that's the back there, which has got kind of like a non-slip kind of foamy back, which is very nice there. Start, select your little handles for if you want to put a strap on it and walk around your local nightclubs and discotheques sporting a fight stick, as I would. And obviously your cable there, which is inside, I'm assuming. And there you go, your stick. TE2 Plus, Tournament Edition, Ryu stick. Shit's gorgeous, sweetheart, beautiful. All right, let's get a look inside. Stay there, man. Pop that, clip that open there. And there we have the inside. You want to zoom in, do you? Closer look at her. So you've got all your bits there for those of you who want to customise. There is a small chance I will customise this stick. If I do, I'll show you guys a video, but I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to do that, man. It depends if I can get the circles right in the Mika. And here's the lead to go in the back. So what I am going to do is place my screwdriver in there and close that up for now. Do you guys want a closer look at that? We can't really get any much closer. Do you want it up your nose or something? There's all your bits there. Your Sanwa arcade parts, so you can give this stick a good bashing. Get out, God, no! You're disgusting, I'm ending it. And let's close that down there. All your bits are there, and that is pretty much it. Do I get the collector's edition, or do I get this 200 quid stick? Had to do it, this is serious for me, man. Hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing, hope you enjoyed that little look around your stick. Give you one more little wooey wooey, and then in another video, which that's crap on it. That was awful. Worst ever camera shots. There we go. In my next video, I will show you what I've got in this little bag here, which is the Street Fighter guide, which we'll look at. And a couple of little other bits, comics and whatnot. Comics and whatnot. I say comics and whatnot, it's not in there, a comic. Jesus Christ, look at the store! Oh, it's not. Time to call game. I'll unbox that, all that stuff in the next video. Damn it! Anyway, TE2 Fightstick, enjoy.